We thought that Apple's round of 26.6 operating system updates at the end of July would be the last ones before the next generation. But Apple is always full of surprises. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech updates. The company's just rolled out updates to 3 of its macOS platforms. The newest versions are macOS Tahoe 26.6.1, macOS Sequoia 15.7.9, and macOS Sonoma 14.8.9. When you update a device, then you'll simply get a message from the software saying this update provides security updates for your Mac. On its support pages, Apple has specified that these changes address a vulnerability in screen sharing. The company's written, an attacker on the network may be able to authenticate to screen sharing without valid credentials, and this new version should plug that gap. Many users had suspected that it was for a pretty critical issue since these OS updates didn't go through the usual developer and public beta phases. If you're running a Mac, it's probably worth getting this new OS downloaded as quickly as possible to save yourself from unwanted trouble. Apple's been keeping itself busy for a couple of weeks on the software side. Public betas for the eagerly awaited iOS 27, macOS 27, and the other device system began in mid-July. And just 2 days ago, it was the latest major tech company to overhaul its bug bounty program in response to an overwhelming number of AI slop submissions. Looks like Apple's trying to clean up on every front before it kicks off its new iOS and hardware devices. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.